and welcome to Caldera Creative Creations. My name is Roxana. Today I got some ideas for Mother's Day wreath. We are making a gorgeous wreath. Today we are working with a 24-inch wreath. I made this side. Happy Mother's Day. So I just pinned on in the back. We are working with some beautiful ribbon. We got 41-inch, a 71-inch, and a 46-inch ribbon. We also are working with some lamb's ear greenery. We also got this gorgeous greenery, which I love to work with. We got some, I think these are peonies. So we got some red ones. We got white roses. We got some geraniums, purple. And we got everybody. Okay, let's get started. First things first, I am going to put on our greenery. Yes, we got our greenery. Let's get our greenery going. And I'm just going to pin this all around. Get that in there like that. Work it backwards. You guys get the point? Work whatever way you want. Let's get that smile on, everybody. I'm so happy to be here once again. Woo. Mother's Day, Mother's Day. Ay, ay, ay. My mama passed on when I was 5, and I miss my mama. So this one's dedicated to you, Mama. Yeah. Your grandma. You all have a very happy and fun, beautiful Mother's Day, everybody out there in the world. Yes, indeed. Okay. Okay, this is for my ribbon. Okay, we're going to get one right here. Pin this in here. Get that here. So, for my other ribbon. And we're going to get that like that. Okay, now we are going to put on our ribbon. We are going to stop there. We're going to put on our ribbon. Okay. We are going to make a ribbon up here first. So, let me pick that up. Bloopers. Before I forget it, everybody. Okay, we are going to make, up top right here, we're just going to make a simple ribbon. I was going to buy one of those. What do you call those machines that make ribbons? I almost was the other day in Hobby Lobby, but I don't know. They look kind of good to work with, but yeah, you could use your hands, huh? That's what somebody said there. You could use your hands, you know. I said, yeah, maybe give it a try, you know. So you can put all different kind of colors of ribbons on. Maybe. Okay, but with that said, we're just going to make a quick, easy ribbon, and look at that, everybody. Wow, now we're going to get our, this is a 71-inch ribbon. This ribbon is so beautiful. And we are going to make a small town. We are going to get our 12-inch loops on. We are going to make two loops, everybody. Yes, indeed. Take this around here. There we go. I notice everybody likes when I work with my ribbons, you know. We're all learning together. I remember I used to never even know how to make a ribbon. But look at me now. Hey. I just got to get the color coordinating going on. That's the thing now. But I will get there. I will get there, everybody. Good morning, Noel. Okay, and then after that, we are just going to do, I think it's one loop. A one loop. Let's make a little tail right there. And we're going to get this like this. We're going to have some hanging. We're just going to get that one loop going. Everybody, look. Here. There we go. We're going to tie that in there. Look how easy. Well, bam. How's that looking, everybody? Look at that. See how gorgeous? Okay, now let's get back to the florals. We're going to, I just love how these colors go together. Oh, we got some eucalyptics. We're going to get this beauty up in here. Just start getting our florals in. I'm going to mix that with some white. Look at that. Wow. And we're going to get this, work our way up here with another beauty. Okay, we got like 4 of these, so we're going to balance them out now. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to get this one here. Look at that, everybody. How the color just brings the wreath out. So beautiful. Look. We're going to get one right here. Look at that. Wow, Mama, look at. Okay, then we're going to work with some purple. Let's get this purple in here. Look how that brings out everything also. And we are going to get another beauty up in here. Look at that. Whoa. Okay, and then we got a little bit of purple. I think we're going to mix that. So different color right there. And we got some more white. Let's get that white going on right about here. There. Hey. Or maybe we should put some up here, huh? Let's balance this out, Mama. Remember? I was going to make it bold under there. There we go. Look at that. Wow. Okay, now we are going to... Oh, yeah. We forgot one more ribbon right on the bottom. This is a 46-inch, and this is just a bow. Oopsie daisy. We're just going to take this like that. Easy looking bow to make, and voila. Check that out. Ooh, look at that. Hey. And we're going to pin this right in here. Bam, look at that. Wow. Okay, we're going to fluff those out in a bit. Get back to what we were doing. I got these beautifuls. I'm going to make it a little bit dramatic and have some hanging down. Oh, look at that. Mama's going to be so happy. We got some more right here. Get that right there. Put some more up in here. Beautiful, beautiful. Yes, indeed. I just went to Hobby Lobby yesterday on Joann's. And I got some beautiful florals, so, and some ribbon and some other surprises. So I will be getting some ribbons going on in my Mother's Day wreath on the next ones. They are going to be so gorgeous. Yes, indeed. So I went shopping and got some greenery for us and some beautiful, beautiful florals, okay? So we got with that. Now I'm going to get some eucalyptics. I got some eucalyptics. Hey, hey, buddy. What's happening? Say hello to everybody, papas. 5 o'clock, 5:30 in the morning. He's supposed to be a bit of sleep. Hey. Okay. We're just going to get our eucalyptics all around up in here. Look at that. Woo. There we go. Wow. Look here. How gorgeous that is. It is. Look at that. Let's fill this up. And wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. And we got some of these white little flowers. Woo, gorgeous. We're just going to plant those in there. Look at that. Wow. We got another one right here. Wow, look at that. Another one going on in here. Woo, look at that. Okay, and I think we're going to put some of these. Damn, we're going to fill this up, huh? Mama's going to be so happy. This beautiful wreath. Okay, right there. Hang on. Oh, excuse me. I got to get my handy dandy ribbon twister. Okay, we're going to get the handy dandy ribbon twister and we're going to just get this going on right here. Look at this. Spin these up and make them gorgeous. Like that. Wrap it up. Woo, look at that, everyone. Wow. Let's get these bows going. Where's the end of that? Right there. Yeah. Get this one. Got that one little curl right here. I'll let that one down. Curl right here. Ooh. Okay. Hook these up. And I think we got it, everyone. I'm going to pin this up on the wall so we could really get a good view of what we made today. Thank you guys for coming to my channel. Appreciate you guys very much. Look at this now. We're going to pin it up, everybody. Woo! Hang on. I'm going to adjust my camera so everybody could see what a beauty we got going on today, everybody. Hey, look at that. Oh, how beautiful. Look at that. Ooh. Some greenery and some beautiful florals and ribbon. And, wow. Came out beautiful, huh? Ooh, look at that. Happy Mother's Day to everybody. All you beautiful mothers out there. Stay strong. And, hey, this was for you, Mama. Okay, once again, like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed or got any ideas on my videos, consider pressing the subscribe button. I appreciate you all and have a great day. Let's get that smile on until the next one. We got some beautiful bright florals going on and some greenery. Woo! Until the next one, everybody, have a great day. Thanks for watching.